Hello students, so in this video we are going to discuss this problem. So let's begin the observation part. Here you just have to try to make one thing that is the base same. If you are able to make it, then the question is very easy. Now let's begin the solution part here. At first glance you will be saying, what is this, like what is this tedious looking equation? But when you realize one thing, if you make the base same, so what will happen? The things getting cancelled. Now let's solve this part first. If you observe, we can write it down that log x raised to power minus 1, and we know if something in the power of the base, so it will come in the denominator. Now the equation will be like this: root x square minus 4 to the base x. But here we have the whole square, so this make this negative as positive here. Now here we don't have to change anything. Let's see the next one. Here it is going to be come outside with the 1 by 2 here, and in this one what will happen? It will come with 1 by 3. Okay, in the denominator 1 by 3 we have, so what you will get? You will get 3. That is written here. Now let's simplify this part. So here you will say x square minus 4 raised to power 1 by 6, where I can say x square minus 4 raised to power 1 by 2 and whole square, that is 1 by 3. And that's the thing I want in each of the cases. So I will make it this part, and we have 1 by 3. So obviously this 1 by 3 will come outside, and now what you will get? This 1 by 3 will cancel this 3. Okay, and here this term will cancel with this one, and this term will cancel with this one. After cancelling things, you will have this term left in the numerator, and this is going to be left in the denominator. Now we have this equation that we have to solve, and this is not a difficult task to do. So let's quickly do. Here I can say this is going to be what? Root x square minus 4 equals to root x. Is it? Yes. Now afterwards you just have to do the squaring part. So if you do the squaring, you will have this quadratic, and after that you have to find the roots. So you will get two roots here, and in which the 1 minus root 17 by 2 will be rejected because it can't be negative, because we know x in the base, so base must be what? Positive, always greater than 0. Okay, so we will be rejecting the 1 minus root 17 by 2. So the correct one is going to be what? Is 1 plus root 17 by 2. For such videos, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.